I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Charles Schwab app Easy Guide. Open the app and sign in with your username and password to begin. Start at the home screen to review balances, positions, and market headlines. Tap Accounts for transaction history and statements. Use Search to find tickers, then tap Trade to place orders. Enable biometrics for faster, secure access on your device. Customize alerts to stay informed. I'll walk you through navigation so you can move quickly and confidently. Use the bottom tabs to jump between Home, Accounts, Trade, and Research for instant access. Add symbols to a watch list and organize them by priority for fast scanning. Tap a holding to view performance, cost basis, and dividends. Use the charts view to change timeframes and indicators so you can spot trends before placing trades. Trading on the app is straightforward when you follow a simple checklist every time. Search a ticker, tap Trade, select Buy or Sell, and choose Market or Limit order type. Enter quantity or dollar amount, review estimated fees and buying power, then preview and confirm the order. Consider fractional shares or recurring investments for steady positions. Keep an eye on confirmations and your Orders tab to track execution and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.